Hi guys, this is Christine again from Mitsubishi Abad Santos Manila branch. So last month na ng 2025 and I'll be sharing with you kung ano-ano ba yung mga latest promo and freebies na pwede nyong ma-avail dito sa amin sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Lalong-lalo na para sa ating 2026 Montero Sport lineup. Pero before that, samahan niyo muna ako dahil ipapakita ko lang sa inyo sandali itong ating 2026 Montero GLS Automatic na Diamond White. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga basic features and function ng ating unit. And at the end of this video, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano ba yung latest offer and freebies na pwede nyong makuha for our 2026 Montero Sport. So again guys, this is our 2026 Montero Sport. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung exterior niya. And dito sa kanyang front grille, ganito yung kanyang design. And meron itong illumination light but unfortunately hindi ko lang ma-open since nandito siya showroom natin today. Then meron na rin tayo ditong 360 camera. Ayan. So when it comes with lighting system, meron tayo ditong LED na daytime running light. Then, naka-LED rin yung ating headlight and fog light. Then, for the Montero GLS or automatic variants, meron tayong active cornering light. Then, dito naman sa side, we have here 18-inch na alloy rims. So, may option kayo. Pwede natin yan ipa-convert into two-tone mags or Black Series looks. So, side mirror natin, naka-chrome pa din. Pwede din natin yan ipa-dechrome. Then, integrated din yung kanyang turn signal light. Meron na rin tayong step board. Then, naka-keyless operating system yung ating GLS variant. By the way, guys, yung fuel tank capacity is 68 liters. Then, dito naman sa likod, ayan, ito yung ating tail light. So, equipped na rin siya ng 4i na parking sensors. Then, meron na rin siyang reverse camera. Ayan. So, as you can see, wala pang spoiler yung ating GLS variant. So, kapag nag-avail kayo sa amin, regardless of your unit, GLX or GLS, papalagyan natin yan ng GT spoilers. So, dito naman tayo sa loob, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo sandali. Ayan. So, ito yung loob ng ating Montero GLS Automatic. So, dito tayo sa driver side. Naka-power windows with central door lock na tayo dyan. Then, when it comes with our seat material, naka-leather seat yung ating GLS, guys. Ayan, napakaganda ng leather seat niya. Then, equipped na rin, guys, yung ating driver side only, again, ng 8-way automatic adjust na seat. Ayan. So, this is only available for the driver side, lalo na for the GLS variant. Then, pasok naman tayo dito sa loob. Sa loob, nandito yung controls ng ating side mirror. Then, naka-push start button tayo. Meron din tayong controls dito para sa ating parking sonar and Mitsubishi Active Stability Traction Control. So, adjust ko lang saglit guys yung ating upuan since medyo malayo ako. Ayan, medyo mabagal lang siya pero still. Ayan, wait lang. So, dito naman guys sa steering wheel, we have 3-spoke leather wrap na steering wheel. Tapos, equipped na rin siya ng paddle shifter. Sa right side, we have here the controls for our multi-information display and multimedia system. Sorry, left side pala. Then, for the right side naman, we have here the 360 camera, voice command function, and cruise control. So, answer and drop ng call, dito rin siya located, guys. Tapos, meron tayo ditong vanity mirror. Naman tayo guys sa ating multimedia system. So for our Montero GLS, we have your 8-inch na LCD monitor equipped ng Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then, meron na rin siyang built-in navigation guys. So wala lang kasi tayong susi, hindi ko mapakita sa inyo in actual. So when it comes to transmission guys, we have 8-speed automatic transmission with Sportronic mode. So same lang din naman siya with our paddle shifter. Then, naka-electronic parking brake with brake auto hold na. Meron tayong dalawang cup holders, may armrest. Then, dito, meron tayong sunglass holder. Ayan. So, dito din, meron din tayong vanity mirror. So when it comes to safety features, guys, yung Montero GLS natin is equipped ng dalawang airbags sa harapan. Then, meron siyang side and curtain airbags. Tapos, pakita ko lang sa inyo sandali yung second row. So, dito sa second row ng ating unit, guys, ayan, meron tayo dito dalawang USB port and 220 volts na power outlet. So, yung second row natin is napo-fold and tumble. Then, meron din tayong controls dito for our air conditioning system. Then, meron na rin tayo ditong aircon vents. Tapos, i-fold ko lang saglit, guys, yung ating seat. So, ayan. So, mabilis lang naman siyang i-fold. Ayan. Yan na, guys, nag-ano na siya. Nag-fold na siya lahat. Ito yung aking legroom sa third row. Siyempre, maliit ako, guys. Kaya, sobrang luwag nito para sa akin. Pero, pakita ko sa inyo kapag naka-full flat siya. Labas lang ako saglit. Sa inyo saglit, kapag naka-full flat yung ating unit, ayan. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura kapag naka-fold yung ating second and third row. So, kung medyo madami kayong dala or madami kayong luggages, pwedeng-pwede dito. Sa ating Montero Sport, kayang-kaya niya, proven and tested na dahil sobrang tagal na rin ito sa market. Tapos guys, dito sa third row, meron tayo ditong mga tools. Dito siya nakalagay. Ayan. So, meron din tayo dito, guys, additional storage dito sa third row. Ayan. So, pwede nyo ilagay dito yung inyong early warning device. Then, for the spare tire, dito rin siya located. Tapos, kung gusto nyo naman, guys, na ibalik na tong upuan, madali lang naman siya kasi ihilahin nyo lang. Ayan. Super quick lang ng video na to, guys. And if you are interested, mag-avail ng any Mitsubishi units or this Montero Sport, pwedeng-pwede ko kayong i-assist dito sa amin sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos. Pero bago ang lahat, pag-usapan muna natin kung magkano ba ang updated pricing and promo ng ating Montero lineup. And guys, for our 2026 Montero GLS Automatic, it retails for 1,927,000 and for as low as 55,000 all-in down payment, pwede nyo na po siyang maiuwi. So, this is the best chance makapag-avail kayo ng brand new Montero GLS, guys. Dahil ito na po yung lowest down payment natin for this 2025. And aside from that, meron pa tayong mga exclusive freebies na ino-offer for this unit. Then, meron pa kayong free 1-month amortizations. When it comes to standard inclusion, guys, I'll be listing it down dito sa screen kung ano-ano ba yun. So, we have 3 years LTO registration, 1-year comprehensive insurance, 3 years TPL, PMS Plus card. So, free po yung labor and oil filter natin from first 1,000 up to 20,000 kilometers. Then, syempre, di mawawala dyan yung mga tint, floor matting, early warning device. Then, for the exclusive freebies, you have 2 options. So, pwede natin siya ipa-convert into Black Series looks or ipa-two-tone max, then body color naman yung kanyang spoiler. Share ko na rin pala, guys, for our 2026 Montero GLX Manual, extended po yung promo natin. So again, that's 0 all-in down payment regardless of your bank approval except PS Bank. And for our 2025 Montero Black Series 4x2 automatic, guys, we are offering for as low as 157,000 down payment and it retails for 2,190,000. Then for our top of the line, which is 2026 Montero Black Series 4x4 automatic. So, ito yung merong sunroof, guys. It retails for 2,530,000 and meron tayong lowest down payment for only 230,000. So, if you are interested, pwedeng-pwede nyo po akong i-message sa aking Facebook Messenger. So, that's Christine Salazar Olimba. Or pwede nyo rin po akong i-reach through my Viber or WhatsApp. So, that's your 933-561-5981. Sobrang dali lang po mag-apply dito sa amin. Sa Mitsubishi Abad Santos, we only need 2 requirements. So, that's proof of income and 2 valid government IDs. So, again, guys, this is Christine Salazar Olimba and I hope to see you here. Bye!